What's up guys, my name is Andy, and in this video we're going to go after a common problem that these classic Mustangs have. I know that not all cars came with the passenger side mirror, but the ones that do have them, whether you installed it or it came with your car, the viewing angle that you have with this mirror is just, it's horrible. You can't hardly see anything out of it, and we need a way to improve that. Also, I do know that this mirror is not in the right place. When I got this car, that was one of the first things that I noticed. I may try to fix that down the road, but I'll have holes in the door, so anyways, I'll deal with that some other time. But what we're gonna wanna do is, we're gonna wanna put one of those convex mirrors on here. What that's gonna do is it's gonna open up the range, the area that this thing will allow us to see behind the car. Let me show you what we're working with. What I've got here is just kind of a standard, you know, your typical automotive, just stick-on convex mirror. There's nothing fancy about it. In fact, it's just a generic brand. You know, this is the model number for it. I don't even know if you really need to get the same exact one, but the important thing is the size. What you're looking for is something that is 3 3/4 of an inch across. So when we put it on here, that it fits perfectly inside the circle here, where it's not too small, but it's not too big and doesn't fit on here. So what we want to do first is we want to get this cleaned up so that this adhesive will stick to the glass. Okay, we're just going to get some window cleaner in here, and we just want to get this thing nice and squeaky clean. All right, now it's ready to go. We can go ahead and apply the convex mirror. And pull the adhesive protector piece off the back here. And the best thing you can do is just kind of do your best to center it. And it's not going to be exactly perfect, but you can kind of get an idea that with this size of mirror, if we have roughly the same amount of space around it, then we'll know that we're centered enough and that this is going to be perfect. Now, you're going to get your fingerprints all over it, and that's okay. Make sure it's stuck on there good. And then I'm just going to go ahead and clean this real quick too. Alright guys, that's it. That's how you take care of the visibility problem with these factory mirrors on our classic Mustangs. Now that the viewing area that this thing's going to provide is a much wider area, it's going to make it a lot safer when I'm out driving. I'll be able to see a lot more, and that's a good thing. Alright guys, if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, and if you subscribe, I appreciate it because it helps my channel out, and we'll see you in the next one.